In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as file in Outlook. We'll do this in Outlook on the web. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. Sign into your account so you land on the Outlook home screen. If you see other Microsoft apps, switch to Mail so you're looking at your mailbox. Next, head to your inbox on the left sidebar. This is where your messages are listed. Click the email you want to keep. That opens it in the reading pane, which is important because the action we need appears on the message toolbar. At the top of that message, look for the More Actions menu, shown as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to expand the full list of options. From that menu, choose Download. Your browser will either start downloading right away or ask where you'd like to save the file. Pick a folder you'll remember and give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may see a choice between EML and MSG. EML is a widely supported format that works in many mail apps like Outlook, Apple Mail, and Thunderbird. MSG is a Microsoft Outlook-specific format designed primarily for Outlook on Windows. If you plan to open the message outside of Outlook, EML is usually the safer choice. If you manage everything in Outlook and want to keep all Outlook-specific properties, MSG can be a good fit. A quick note about what gets saved. The file includes the email content, headers like the sender and subject, and any attachments. When you open the saved file later, attachments will still be available. If your organization uses a banner or classification labels, those are preserved as part of the message body. After the download finishes, you can confirm it by opening your downloads folder or by checking your browser's recent downloads list. Double-clicking an EML or MSG file will open it in your default mail app. If it doesn't open, right-click the file and choose the application you want. That's all there is to it. Open Mail, go to the inbox, select the message, use the 3 dots, and choose Download, then pick EML or MSG. With this quick workflow, you can archive important conversations, share a complete message with IT or legal when needed, or simply keep a local copy for your records.